What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is everyone's favorite, most wanted device, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. We have more information on the release date. Now, yesterday we talked about a story where the release date that I got from an unverified source and then it was backed up by Max Weinbach, was September 14th. And now we have another quote-unquote leak of the release date, and this time it comes from EV-Leaks, Evan Blass, and his tweet, as you can see right here, says Galaxy Fold September 27th release date. Now, when he gives information, it's usually on USA release dates, so it looks like Galaxy Fold release date September 27th. We've used him in the past. He has a very good track record. Is he 100% right? No, because nobody is. But at this point, I guess we'll have to go with this one, especially with next week being just around the corner. They haven't officially reopened pre-orders at this point, and they usually give you about a 2-week lead time with that. If you've noticed with different phones that they release, let's figure that out as well. So they usually release these on Fridays, and guess what September 27th is? A Friday. So all signs point to yes at this point that it's probably that day, I guess. We'll see what happens. They should be opening up pre-orders very, very soon. Again, when that happens, I'll let you guys know. Next story is about the Galaxy Fold 2, which will be the successor to the Galaxy Fold 1, and it's gonna be slightly different than what we're gonna get this year. So Bloomberg is reporting that the new Samsung smartphone is built around a 6.7-inch display, remember 7.3 currently for the Galaxy Fold 1, and it folds inward to form an easily pocketable square. It's supposed to be more affordable and thinner than the 1980 Fold, with a single hole punch camera on the side and 2 more cameras on the outside. Now, if you think about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, that's a 6.8-inch screen. So they're saying that the new Galaxy Fold, when that comes out next year, the second version of it, is actually going to be quite similar to what we have here, but more square, and it's going to fold right in half. And there'll be a single camera like this one has, a little punch camera, and then 2 cameras on the back of the device. So it's gonna be slightly different. It's not gonna be as, I don't know, exciting, I feel like, as a design, but maybe it will be more accommodating to the rest of the world and make people not so scared of it because it's completely different. The other part of the news of the Galaxy Fold 2 is that the price is also supposed to be less within that price range. So if you wanted something like a Galaxy Fold, but you wanted a lower price, you might want to wait till next year. And the last story of the day is about an update that is being rolled out right now for the Galaxy Note 10 line of phones. I don't personally have this update, but the update is going to bring with it call stability feature, so it'll make your calls more stable. I haven't had any issues with my calls. My calls have been really, really clear. And, well, for the most part, clear. I haven't dropped really anything over the ordinary dropping of calls. So I don't know, have you guys been having issues with your phone calls more so than any other phone call you've had recently? Let me know in the comments down below, because this update will fix it. And also let me know if you got this update. That is your question of the day. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.